I'm taking us back to the Tribeca Film Festival, where I'm chatting with the cast members of two movies that were filmed right here in New York City. Your character, he's trying to find himself in this one. He's dealing with some heavy stuff, isn't he?
He is, yeah. He was abandoned, I would say, by his brother and by people who probably should have helped him. He's struggling with an either undiagnosed or misdiagnosed mental illness, and he's really holding on. He's really struggling to maintain a hold and keep his feet on the ground and listen to himself and know when he needs help and learn how to find it.
Tell me about this therapist, Emily, that you play.
She's not the best therapist in the world. She gets mixed up with her client's brother. She's also a pretty lonely person, so it's hard for her to relate to other people. And the film is, a lot of watching this lady struggle through that.
And on the red carpet for permission, I caught up with the stars of the film. I talked to you here last year. You're back again. What keeps you coming back to Tribeca?
Oh, it's New York, man. It's a great festival. It's it's a real celebration of New York filmmakers, and I don't know. There's something I love the city, and a lot of the people involved in this film, live here and love it too.
You've got a movie here at the Tribeca Film Festival.
I do.
Tell me all about your movie.
It's a sort of unconventional romantic comedy slash dramedy slash, I don't know. It's a story. It's a story about life and relationships and people who are working out how to navigate a relationship in a contemporary world where all configurations of relationship, whether it be monogamous or non-monogamous or gay, straight, whatever, are all possible. But so how do you find which is the one that works for you, and honesty within a relationship?